but you see here there are some mistakes. These are about the parameters we are giving as initialization. Then okay, it's at least. Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this object detection module, and lastly we finish cascade classifier. Today we are gonna start HOGDescriptor module. Actually this is also similar to the cascade classifier. This is used for object detection. You can also train your own object detection model, and you can try with this histogram of oriented gradients. So this is also another object detection method which OpenCV giving to you. And this is also old, I can say, also not really accurate, similar to the cascade classifier, but in some cases this is still useful. Okay, for this video we are gonna simply just make an example and try to understand the usage, and in the next video we are gonna get into the details of these functions. For example, detect multiscale, similar to the cascade classifier. In here the usage is little different than the cascade classifier. And also maybe for this video there is already a default, which is also this HOG is used mostly for I mean not mostly, but the popular usage is about people detection. There's also already a embedded model in here. The name is I think something like pedestrian. Maybe if we check the OpenCV here, pedestrian, yeah, HOG cascade pedestrian XML. In the backend is using this XML model, so it's using in the backend. If you go to the also directory, maybe if you want to check in here, there is hard cascade for CUDA, and here also HOG cascade, which is a model is already giving to you for trying. And also I already prepared some some images which is for trying to see how it's working. So my plan is just initializing this class, and we can understand how it looks like, and we can try this simple people detection model and its usage. Okay, we can switch to the code part. In here basically I'm just calling imshow and trying to show. In here there are some pedestrians, so I will try to detect them with this HOG. Okay, the initialization of the class is such simple. Just we are calling HOG, and after that all we need to do is just calling there is a function of this HOG class which is set SVM detector, which is we are assigning the model. So after that we are just calling HOGDescriptor, and here there is a get default people detector. Actually this is just a vector. So if you maybe in the future videos I'm planning to show how to train cascade and also how to train this HOG. So in there we can train and we can put our own model into the here, but currently we are just giving this backend, which is just giving us as a vector float type of. So we are just assigning this as our model. We are just loading, I mean. Okay, after this we need to call this detect multiscale, similar to the cascade classifier. In here it says maybe we can call this one. It requires the image, it requires a rectangle vector, and after that it requires a double vector again, and the rest can stay in default values, I think. Okay, we can call HOG.detect multiscale, and after that we are giving the image. Also after that we can maybe we can define a vector here, standard vector, and just assigning CV rect first of all. So this is gonna be my detected found rectangles will be in here. So just detected rects, maybe we can call it, and also one more rectangle for the, what was the name, found weights, found locations. Okay, so we can detected weights, maybe we can call this one. About the details we can talk in the next video. Just for this video we are trying to understand the usage, just defining this. Okay, the first of all it requires the rectangle, I think, so we are detected rects, and after that detected weights, and the rest can stay the default values. So similar to the cascade we can learn in the next video. Also, why it's not showing me? Why it's okay, it expects double. Yes, so these are the default values. As I said, we are gonna discuss these things in the next video, and after that simply we already get our detected rectangles. All we need to do is just in a for loop, maybe just I is equal to 0, and this dot size, and now we are gonna get all the detected people inside this for loop, and we can simply just calling rectangle function, which is in here. So it requires image, it requires rectangle, which is gonna be the detected rectangles, and each element, and after that color, let's make it just green maybe. Yeah, it's green, and thickness can stay 2, and no need to do the rest. Okay, just make it here size type, so it doesn't complain warning. Okay, we are done, I think. Let's see, I already give the pedestrian 1, so we are expecting it's gonna detect the people now. But you see here there are some mistakes. These are about the parameters we are giving as initialization. Then okay, it's at least I see 1, 2, 3, 4 is detected well. Just maybe to show you, we are gonna talk in the next videos, but just threshold little increase and see how it looks like. Okay, now before it was detecting these people and these people, now it only detect this, but at least the most at least they are correct, there's no mistake, but it's missing some people to detect, so there are still problems, but let's try to optimize them in the next video. So we can try the second image also. I don't have a second image. Pedestrians. Okay, now in here I see only 1 detected. Maybe for this case let's try the default one. Yes, now it's detecting 3 of the pedestrian, but still there is some mistake in here. So let's try to understand the details of this function and the other initialization things in the next video. For this video, simply I just wanted to show how this HOGDescriptor looks like, and my plan, as I said at the beginning, we are now using the default model which OpenCV is giving to us, similar to the cascade. But in future videos, my plan is trying to explain how we are training this hog and cascade kind of things. Then we can try our own models after training also. So for this video, simply I just wanted to make a simple introduction to this HOGDescriptor and its usage. Then I'm done for this video. See you in the next videos.